Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur, and today I have Ramya and Neela with me to play the Hangman quiz with us. All right, let's see how quickly they're able to guess the word that I have gotten ready for them. Are you girls ready?
Ready?
All right, okay. So let's see. Now, these ladies will only have 6 turns, okay, as in until the hangman hangs. So the pole is ready for the hangman. You need to start off there. Okay, all right, ladies. So you guys will see the answer here. All right, and let's start. So, what is the first letter?
A.
A. A. No, sorry, there is no A, and the head has arrived.
E.
Okay, so E you have. So, ladies and gentlemen, the E and the E. Oops. Okay, next.
O.
Okay, O. Neela says O. Okay, there is the O. Okay, the O is come. Have you been able to guess it, guys? They are still thinking, trying to spell out the word. Okay, let's go. What could be the next one, ladies? If you have guessed it right now, leave it in the comments. Come on, just give another letter a shot. Let's see. You still have 5 turns.
I still have 5 turns. Okay.
Huh.
I thought you're supposed to guess it in 6. Okay.
No. So one is gone, no?
S.
S. Okay, S. No, sorry, the body has come in. There is no S.
P.
P for pot, right?
Yes.
Nope, there is no P.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Come on. R. Okay, Neela says R. R it is.
Elevator.
Elevator. Okay, so you know, right, the hangman rules. If you give a wrong answer also, this happens. It is not an elevator. Because see,
A was not there.
Elevator. Yeah, okay, the letters are the same, but we struck off A in the very beginning. Okay, so yeah, R is gone, O is gone, E, A, yeah. Come on, you're close. I mean, there are multiple other words. You can still try with letters. Come on.
T.
T, it is. T. There. Not elevator though. What else could it be? Come on. Give it a shot. Give a shot to other letters. Let's see what else can you think of.
One second.
I'm sure you guys are already googling and trying to find out the word. Come on, guys. It's not that tricky, I feel. Although, yeah, you can still, I can give you a clue though, but then
No.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
No.
Come on. Okay, go in for another word. Let's see. Try. Just give me a random letter. Come on. Let's see. Let's see if it's there.
Random, it won't work here. Because.
Okay, then let's go with the strategy we always play it with. What do we say first? We try out with the
Vowels.
Yeah. So are you done with all the vowels?
I.
Okay. Sorry.
See, she's trapping us.
I wasn't trapping you. There are 5 vowels, guys. Come on. E is already there. O is already
U.
there. A you already know. Okay, U. So U was the only one left. And U arrives here.
What is this?
Come on now, this is so close. Now it can be guessed.
my
Come on, guys. Come on.
Executor.
See? The hangman and the executor. See? A good one though, actually. I didn't think that if you have the E and the OR, elevator is the first one. Actually, that
if we
will come
didn't
to
get
the
it,
mind.
then we'll be the executors
Yeah,
of that
I
poor man.
I would have been the executor. They would have got executed. But yes, guys, they got it executed. on the last chance, last life that they had left. I'm sure you guys would have guessed it much before them. Did you? Did you not? Yes or no? Share it with us in the comments. And we will see you again in the next episode of Hangman. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon, and stay updated on all our latest games. Hope this one reminded you of your childhood, early days in college, where we used to do time pass by playing all these kind of word games. We'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.
Bye-bye.